Hello everyone, it's Miss Arlene. I just want to show you some ways of how to incorporate loose parts into the children's daily play. Now I'm sure you guys have a box of these lying around. These are those shiny circular blocks that we all got, and we also have these buckets of wild animals. Everybody has them in their cupboards. Dig them out. Get those counting bears. We have tons and tons of these, so I'm going to show you quickly to use them up. Get those pegs out, and yeah, I'm going to show you. Now, keep in mind that this is not my idea. This is my partner, and I refer to my partner as the queen of loose parts because she doesn't think outside the box. She thinks way outside of the box and does some stuff with loose parts that I would never ever think of. And I'm glad to bring these ideas to you. Um, just a simple idea, just take a look and repeat it, or it will give you some idea what to do. Now don't forget that when you do a setup, to always include a book in there. The children will use it as reference. You can introduce early literacy to children this way, and so that they kind of have an idea that if you can't, you don't have an answer to something, you can look through the book and a book will give you the information. Right? So use up your little sparks, my friends. I hope you find this helpful. This is just an idea and a quick one. So let's take a deep breath, forget the mess, and let the children play. Thank you for watching.